Are you loving all of this data tracking and learning that much more about your body? If so, then you might be itching to put yourself right at the forefront of the field and to try some of the latest and most exciting products and options on the market. Here are some more advanced tools for the pro-life logger. Something pretty cheap that you can invest in to get a fun insight into your health and fitness is a dynamometer. This is basically a device that you squeeze with your grip as hard as you can and which then measures how much force you've applied. In turn, this lets you tell how strong you are in terms of your grip, which has a huge correlation with your overall strength. And it also gives you some feedback regarding your recovery. It's often said that a weak grip in the morning suggests that you have a low ratio of testosterone to cortisol, and in turn this implies that you haven't recovered all that well from your last workout. The dynamometer is also a great tool for training in itself, as it offers you a way to test your grip strength that can go up to 100 kilograms, unlike a lot of grip trainers. You can pick up a dynamometer quite cheaply on sites like eBay. You can see here I'm looking on the UK version of eBay, and they've got one here for £4.95 with free postage, and that's less than $10 US. The Sculpt is a relatively new fitness tracking device that found popularity on Kickstarter. What it does is allow you to measure your muscle quality, which tells you the density of the muscle that you're working. It measures 12 different muscle groups, and for those looking for something completely unique and original, this is a fun metric to measure. And you can find out more about the Sculpt at sculpt.me. The Q Health Tracker is a device that is currently still in development, but which promises to revolutionize health tracking by allowing you to take readings from your blood from home. These include vitamin D, which many of us are deficient in, inflammation, influenza, fertility, and testosterone. For many guys, and especially gym rats, the testosterone measurement will be the one here that's most interesting, and this can be a great tool if you're trying to improve your anabolism through lifestyle and diet. And you can find out more at cue.me, and then you'll be redirected to this page. There are now a number of services online that offer some deeper insights into your health, such as blood analysis and even DNA tests. WellnessFX, for instance, is one such service that can measure 53 to 93 markers depending on what you're looking for, though the price is quite steep. You can find out more at wellnessfx.com. Other sites like DNA Fit offer DNA testing for fitness and other uses. These can tell you things about yourself, such as your ratio of slow twitch to fast twitch muscle fiber, useful insights that will help you pick the right style of training to see the fastest results. This isn't a requirement by any stretch of the imagination, and you shouldn't waste your money on it if you haven't started seeing progress already. But if you have the cash to spare and you find that your interest in fitness tracking is more than just a phase, then collecting this kind of data can help you to build the most truly comprehensive picture of your health possible. In the future, we'll see a range of fitness trackers that do incredible things. Some are available already. FitLinks, for instance, is an interesting tracker that sticks to your skin and measures some unique metrics. And you can find out more at FitLinks, that's FitLinxx.net. More impressive are things like the Atlas wristband for measuring precise exercise. This can tell whether you're doing specific movements and count your sets and reps. Things like dumbbell curls and deadlifts are all automatically registered by the device. This is a potential game changer for people in the gym and for the aforementioned weightlifting tracking. Another game changer for gym nuts? Well, that's the incredible Gym Watch. And this is a device that can actually measure raw strength by measuring your movement and comparing this with some information you input regarding the weight that you're going to be lifting. Pavlok goes an entirely different route and focuses on preventing you from breaking your goals and resolutions. How? By delivering a short and sharp electric shock. And you can find out more at Pavlok, that's PAVLOK.com. You can also find smart toothbrushes that monitor exactly how long you spend brushing and point out which teeth you've missed. And finally, there's the somewhat creepy Mother from Sense, which is sen.se, which watches everything you do and monitors all kinds of habits like whether or not you wash your hands. In other words, if you think that a tracker should exist, then there's a good chance it's out there. These devices aren't just for measuring your ability to run or how many calories you burn. You can track everything from your toothbrushing habits to your DNA.